18th birthday, Jelena. It feels like just yesterday when you were a little kid and now you're stepping into adulthood. It's so much promise. I'm so proud of the person you have become, kind, smart, and full of potential. As you begin this exciting chapter of your life, always remember to stay true to who you are, follow your passions, and embrace every experience. The world is yours to conquer, and I can't wait to see all the incredible things you'll do. Wishing you a year full of happiness, growth, and unforgettable memories. Happy birthday, Ayan Ate. I love you. Enjoy the party.
Hi, Jelena. Happy birthday and happy Valentine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.